Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting decimals. Subtracting decimals follows the same rules we use when subtracting whole numbers. It is essential to keep the various columns perfectly aligned with each other. We must also ensure that the decimal points are lined up exactly under each other. So here's our first example. 76.84 minus 32.51. You can see we have perfect alignment all the way. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer is 44.33. For example 2, we have 76.876 minus 34.689. Perfect alignment all the way through. 6 take away 9 we cannot do, so we do trading. Make that 16. 16 take away 9 is 7. Because we traded, we cross that off and make it a 6. 6 take away 8 we cannot do, so we trade and put a 1 there to make that 16. 16 take away 8 is 8. When we traded, that 8 became a 7. 7 take away 6 is 1. 6 take away 4 is 2. And 7 take away 3 is 4. So the answer is 42.187. Now here's quite an involved little subtraction here. 675.732 minus 468.839. So I'm going to ask you to pause this video at your leisure and spend a little bit of time checking that this is correct. Now there's a lot of trading going on here. If you take your time, don't rush it, you will see that it is correct. Now in a very early video, when we did simple subtraction of numbers, I showed you a very easy way of checking that your answers are correct. And all you do, you add that row there and that row there, and that should give you the numbers that are in the top row. So let's quickly do it. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 6 is 14. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's a good way of checking that your subtraction is correct. So this video has given us a very basic introduction into how to subtract decimals, and the rules are exactly the same as for addition. Make sure the columns are perfectly aligned, including the decimals, and then you do your subtraction in the normal manner, and if trading is required, just do that very, very carefully.